Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll walk you through how to fix iPhone screen lag. Here are the simple steps to fix iPhone screen lag. First, restart your iPhone. Hold the side button plus the volume button, slide to power off, and turn it back again. Close background apps. Swipe up from the bottom and swipe apps away to reduce lag. Check storage space. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and delete unused apps or files. Update your iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install the latest version. Turn off background app refresh. Go to Settings, General, Background app refresh. Turn it off or limit apps. Reduce motion. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Motion. Turn on Reduce Motion. Reduce transparency. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Display and text size. Enable Reduce transparency. Disable auto downloads. Go to Settings, Apps, App Store. Turn off app updates and automatic downloads. Clear Safari website data. Go to Settings, Apps, Safari, Clear History and Website Data. Then tap Clear History. Remove unused widgets. Long press your home screen. Remove widgets you don't use. Turn off low power mode if slowing performance by going to Settings, Battery. Turn off low power mode. Reset all settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or reset iPhone, Reset, Reset all settings. This won't delete data. Lastly, force restart, hard reboot. Press the volume up, then volume down. Hold side button until the Apple logo appears. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.